Hello and welcome back to the channel. I am Yolz and we have been sharing all about Dubai property market, the investment landscape, but hubby and I, because we're on this journey, decided, you know what, it is school holidays, why not come to Dubai? Why not touch and feel these different properties we've been talking about? Why not actually chat to the developers that we've been hearing about, the ones that we've seen online and had meetings, webinars, everything was via the screen, yeah. So we decided, you know what, let's actually come here, let's walk the streets. So I'm going to be your ears and eyes for the rest of the week. I won't be vlogging all our family activities. We have made a vacation out of this trip, and 2 half days of this trip will be like the work portion of it for us, looking at the investment, understanding the numbers. And also I came prepared with my braids, by the way. SK Beauty still does my braids, so I came holiday ready but also kind of work ready. And I think the best way for us personally, and also somebody who does consult and share information about investment opportunities, I thought it would be best to really make sure that I do come and see what is truly happening in this global hub of Dubai. If you want any other information around Dubai and investment opportunities as Lapa, I can definitely refer you to the right people. Simply check the description box down below and I'll be happy to assist you in your direction with the right experts, okay? Don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna link you straight to when the rubber hits the road. And if you've got any other questions, definitely leave it in the comment section below. Hey there, it's Yolz channel. Alright. I'm so sorry, I can't shake your hand. How are you, well?
Yeah, my name is Anton.
Lovely to meet you, Anton. Oh, this door's really strong, eh? Once it's shut, it's really shut. We are viewing our first property. This is Imtiaz, and this is basically one of the apartments that look like many of the apartments. Let's go to the bathroom first. For your guests, your powder room. Look at all of, girl, like I'm out of words. I am out of words because how? And then you don't just get all of this. It also come with a standard laundry room. How stunning. Welcome to my Dubai apartment, Habibi. Absolutely beautiful. They all come with the appliances and all the finishes. The only thing that this apartment doesn't come with is movables. Obvious, right? Makes sense. This is the dining area on my right, and then on my left, where Fezi and Daddy are. This is for Mommy's YouTube. This is the study. Did he say anything else, Lavi, about this section?
No, it just varies in terms of some will have the study and some won't have.
Oh, okay. Can have a look inside.
The main thing is just the finishes that we're looking at from here.
They're just showing you. Okay, so this doesn't come standard. Some apartments have it, some apartments don't. And then we go over to the lounge. By the way, this is a 1-bedroom apartment. Whoopsie. This is a 1-bedroom apartment. And uyayibona mos in Dubai. Oh, love the finishes. Love, love, love. Also, they're very consistent. Their style is very consistent. And they have a track record of actually completing most of their projects ahead of time, which I absolutely love. They also have a flexible payment plan. And like I say, this is one of the developments I had a look at when I reached out to Gift way back when in October, November last year. And unfortunately, the Cove 2 or 3 that I wanted sold out. Cove 4 sold out. And Jay, I missed out. But I wanted to have a touch and feel, obviously being in Dubai, of this property, because believe it or not, and I definitely want us to invest in one of Imtiaz's developments, just because of how beautiful it is. Yo, hi, hey, look at this. My view, POV, y'all. Then, on your way to the bathroom is your closet. Did I say yours? I mean mine. My closet. Habibi. Oh, we're only wearing white. Please. Come correct. Come correct. We only wear white here. Even the shoes. Oh my goodness, look at these shoes. They could never fit me because I'm not a size. Don't. Actually, they could. I'm a size 5, 6. Oh, this is a 36. I'm a size 38, 39. If you want to buy me shoes. Hey, Bona. Hey! Closet. So hers and then her again. Happy will get this section and that section. This is the closet. Let's have a proper look at it. From our mouths to God's ears. Then of course the bathroom. I'm gonna leave the cameraman here to show you all over the shower as well. Hey, Tindo. Hey. This is the bathroom. The shower is just angazi tile. I don't know what kind of tile this is, y'all. I don't know what kind of tile this is, but it's beautiful. That's why I can tell you. There's enough space, Lalela. I don't know what this is for, but I can see a lot of potential here. There's enough space for your baskets, your laundry basket. Oh, we've got a laundry place, actually. We've got enough space to play around. It's a family bathroom here. And also, when you're visiting next time, you don't have to go and rent out an Airbnb. Just come to my place. That is it for our first proper viewing in Dubai. And I'm convinced with all these finishes, especially because they come at an affordable price. Most of their studios start at like 680 AED, 680K AED, which is times 5 to convert to, so let's say 700 times 5, which is 3.5 more. A young 3.5 mil, what? It's 3.5 more between friends. Also, their payment plans go up to, I think, 6 years. So you're splitting it over a few years, starting off with a down payment of about 20%. You know what? I should not be telling you this. If you want to know more about Dubai properties, call me. I'll put all the details down and I'll arrange a consultation because I am not a real estate agent, but we are carving out some sort of consultation, you know? Anyway, let's leave and have a look at our next property. And these are different sizes, or it's just the orientation that's different?
It's just the orientation. So the ones on the corner here, those are the 2 beds. We have an outdoor cinema here as well, private cinema. So it's like a projector screen, over here, and then the private pools also. And by the way, the maintenance of the private pools is included within the service charge, so they're not going to be paying anything extra other than the service charge. No extra fees. So this is inside the unit. It's best to just see the showroom, but get an idea. So it's a 56-44 payment plan, 56% till handover, and then 44% 3.5 years post handover. So it's a total payment plan of 7 years and 1% for 80 months. So there's no bulk payments, by the way. So it's just 1%. There's no 2%, 5%. Maybe in Peace Levels 1 there might be like a 2% in there because the handover is getting closer. But for Peace Levels 2, there's no 2% even. So it's just 1% till post handover.
So which means the tenants literally sharing the cost of you buying your property.
Exactly. And handover, by the way, for Peace Levels 1 is Q2 27, and for Peace Levels 2 it's Q4 2027.
Okay, Q4 2027.
Yes.
Okay.
So they're paying till 2030, 2031 for the post handover.
By then you long have a tenant.
Exactly.
Yes. And then the good thing is the price doesn't change.
Yeah.
And everything you see here, obviously apart from the removables, like the couch comes with the lights. I think the lighting comes with
The lighting
doesn't come. No,
yeah.
I mean like
Those come.
Yes. And then the board.
Yes, that comes as well.
And then this frames comes as well. Just the couch. And
Oh, it doesn't come with the couch?
yeah, but it's movable.
Doesn't movable. So
But it comes with the frames and all of that. This. Because to be honest, if you already have this design, you just need to buy a couch and that's it.
Where's the fridge? Kiki, could you open it for me?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, okay.
It's hidden.
It's okay. As long as you stay there,
Fridge
puppy.
and then freezers down here.
Nice. Ah, lovely. Seamless. Okay, that's awesome.
And washing machines here. Everything's hidden.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
that's what it is.
That's what a lot of developers are doing now, contemporary designs where your home can still stay very organized.
Yeah, everything is pulled back.
So if you have a basket, you just leave it there where you put clothes, just bring it out, wash.
And if you want to add a dishwasher, you can put it here. It doesn't come with a dishwasher, but you could just put your dishwasher here as well. There's space for it.
Does it come with the washing machine?
It comes with the washing machine.
Okay.
Fully fitted, the microwave, the fridge, everything.
Nice.
And now my favorite part.
The bathroom.
The bathroom, yeah, that too. That too, yeah. So that's two. So imagine a one bed like this has
Two bathrooms.
Two bathrooms, and this is the visitors as well as that's the main. So this is the main.
This is, that's the study room that we have and storage space.
Love the finishes. Oh, and the lighting.
Shelf.
Oh,
Is
really?
included, yes. You can take it out if you don't want to, but it comes with it. Yes.
Okay.
You see what I said?
This is a bedroom.
You understand? For
Yeah.
it's a good proper kid room if you want, and then behind you is a storage as well. That I've never seen open.
It doesn't open.
Oh, it doesn't open.
No.
But it's gonna open
But it's there.
in your home.
Okay, there's a storage right
Yes.
there. Love that. Space. Oh! Finishes. Hello. Shower. Oh.
Sorry, no.
Like the water?
I think it's from the diffuser. Maybe, yeah.
This is absolutely beautiful. Oopsie. Don't judge my filming skills.
And everything comes. The table you see here comes with. The only thing that doesn't come is the bed, obviously, and then this frame. Apart from that,
And the TV,
yes.
the TV comes with, right?
It's gonna hold a TV. The TV doesn't come with.
Oh, the TV doesn't.
Doesn't.
Oh, okay, no TV. Oh, nice. Thank you. It's beautiful. Nice. Okay. This is the bedroom.
Rev 2, Rev 3. So these buildings have a private cinema, Zen Garden. You have round-the-clock valet, round-the-clock concierge service, and round-the-clock laundry service. So it's pretty much like living in a hotel, kind of, but like, yeah, it's really nice. And then when you come downstairs, you have your restaurants and stuff at the bottom, your pool area, and then the pool area is that infinity vibe, overlooking the Crystal Lagoon because you have private beach access. So this is located in the Maidan area. So bell, and then you walk into your apartment. This would be how you would let people into your apartment. And
The kitchen is gorgeous.
And is the kitchen is really. We have your fridge, which is Siemens double. Then you also have your freezer, Siemens as well.
Yes.
And then hood, the tabletop, and your oven, all Siemens.
Cement from Venice.
Yeah, yes. As Venice is also Siemens. So here you have your pantry. This is strictly for the 2-bedroom units, but you have your pantry and your laundry room, Siemens as well.
Nice.
Siemens as well. And then the house is fully automated, right? So you can either do Hey Google, use your phone, or
See that?
you know,
I'm South African.
yeah.
That Google sounded like Gugu. Gugu is a name.
So it's Hey Google or Alexa, could you or could you not?
Yes.
Yeah.
Amazing.
And the lighting, the details and the light comes with.
Yeah.
Smile gifts.
I don't know, I'm just free and draw at the day. And this I will come here.
So a
Best
seamless
feature.
flow.
Yeah, and then the doors are flush doors
Double the size of us.
in the two bed flush doors. But the best part here, it's a bathroom literally, because the shower is here. So it's either you shower here, right, or you use the tub. Door is closed, water is never gonna seep out, and it's slanted properly. And the finish, where the water goes into in the drain, that's also marble.
It's a weight room.
You're good all around. You're good all around.
Cabinets to
And,
store your toiletries.
exactly. Hidden LED lights and
Nice.
the floating bathroom. Now you have the his and hers sinks, which is most likely hers to be honest. But yeah.
It's hers and hers.
Yeah, hers and hers. And then LEDs in the wardrobe, very crucial. So when you open up your wardrobe, the lights come on.
Yes.
Yeah.
And just like that, the week came to a close, and those were the properties we viewed. The reason we viewed off-plan properties in particular was because of the flexible payment plans that most developers offer in Dubai. Dubai is a growing business hub, and you can see that the developments are literally going up by the day. There are so many people who are in need of accommodation. So for us, we wanted to actually view for investment purposes, and we wanted to view the very best of what developers had to offer, because we're looking to tenant it in the future or possibly flip. So meaning that we would sell on completion of the property or just before completion after evaluation, because of the capital appreciation that you get in Dubai. It is so much higher than what we've seen here in SA, and we've compared it to other major cities in the world like New York and London, and we've literally done so much research in terms of trying to get the best out of our investment, making our money work for us. Secondly, and very exciting, I am officially carving out a new business avenue, purely consulting and bringing together investors in the real estate space. So if you are an investor looking for a real estate agent or a developer that will suit your needs, I am the person to speak to. So all you've got to do is book a free consultation. My email is in the description box. And if all you want is more information about these investment properties, then join our next webinar. It is also linked below. Have a splendid week further, and do subscribe if you found this video helpful. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the comment section.